I've been born this bitch. Exactly. Yeah. You can't see us, dog. Idiots. Let's go. If you knew what I knew, you would get back in your car. And if you knew what I knew, you would understand. Superstar. Cause I ice in my chain, drink in my cup, in the middle of the club, middle bang up like ice in my chain, drink in my cup. If you don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. Big boy truck, that's how we showing up. I'm a big Patron sipper, what we pulling up. Big bang flipping, I got me a bucks. Better hurry up, about bottles up. Holding my nuts, more like what? Think I'm in here by myself, go ahead, jump. We the reason why you park out front. But it shut it down when the boy pull up. Everybody holding, we ain't getting touched. You ain't see us at the door, but it ain't frisk us. Y'all motherfuckers don't rock like this. 100 down on my neck, down on my wrist. Superstar shout, a lot of niggas bitch. Cut the Cartier shade, a lot of niggas bitch. If you knew what I knew, you get right back car. And if you knew what knew, then you would understand. Superstar. Cause I ice in my chain, drink in my cup, middle of the club, got my middle bang up like Sean P chillin', big clippin'. What more can I say about young Pippin'? Yeah, the chain icy, the hood is good, and I wish a motherfucker would. Could you stop staring, looking hard? Could the diamonds in my white, they don't look like yarn? Cause I got money, I got fat face hunters and rubber band knives. Got candy color flavor, European drop, European product shooter. I got guap in the Billboard and Nike Air Max shoebox. Cause spinning that too many rubber band and pop. Oh, they love it, these niggas, they can hate it or not. Shout out, I'm in the spot, you know that I'm showing out. Middle finger in the air, cause I ain't got no feelings. Money in the air, cause I ain't got no limit. You knew what knew